Hello everyone, this is Subhash. Welcome to Social Studies. In this video, we will discuss about map painting, especially for the 10th standard students. But before begin, మా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, పక్కన ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ ప్రెస్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి. So here you can see on the screen the world map. This is the world map, and here you can see on the globe some lines. There are some lines on the globe. There are some horizontal lines and vertical lines on the globe. So horizontal lines means which runs from west to east. These lines are called horizontal lines, and also these lines are called latitudes. Which lines runs from west to east called horizontal lines called latitudes. These lines are latitudes. And which lines runs from north to south, means pole to pole, north pole to south pole, these lines are called longitudes. These lines are called longitudes. So these are lines are vertical lines. Vertical lines. So here these latitudes shows us place and as well as temperature. We can find the temperature and place or location on the earth through the latitudes. And longitudes. Longitudes shows us a time. That means we can find the time. What is the time will it be in such a country? That means what is the time will it be in Russia? What is the time will it be in China? So we can find out the time in such a country through the longitudes. So right? Okay. And here this is the equator, which is runs from the middle of the earth. This is the equator. So this equator divide the globe into equal two parts. So one is a north part and one is a south part. So here this north part is called northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. The south part is called southern hemisphere. So here our India lies in northern hemisphere. So here our India lies in northern hemisphere. So if we have to say accurately, our India lies in northeastern hemisphere. So this direction, northeastern hemisphere. So our India lies in northeastern hemisphere. Okay, right. Next, let's move on to the next topic. This is the India map, and here we have to learn some points here in India map. So you can see here our India lies, already I told you, our India lies in northeastern hemisphere. So in which longitude and which latitude our India lies? So let's see. Our India lies between 8 degrees 4 minutes to, you can see here our India lies 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes in northern latitude. 37 degrees 6 minutes in northern latitude, and here 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes in eastern longitude. So here 97 degrees 25 minutes here. That means our India lies 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes in northern latitude, and as well as 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes in eastern longitude. So you have to remember this. And India has so many neighbor countries. India has so many neighbor countries. Let's see what are they here. One is Pakistan. Here the Pakistan is west side of India. Here the Pakistan. And Afghanistan is located the west, northwest of India. So here northwest, this is called northwest, this is called west. Okay, so Pakistan is located west side of India and Afghanistan is located northwest of India. For example, questions in your exams will be asked like this: in which direction is Pakistan located? In which direction is China located? So you have to give the perfect answer through this map. Okay, here next, China. China is located north side of India, completely it extending China from here to here. This place all belongs to the China. So China already acquired our Jammu Kashmir. So this part. So this is Oxygen. So the China is located north side of India as well as northeast side of India. Okay, and here Bhutan. So here one is Himalayan country, Himalayan state, that is Nepal here, and also Bhutan, the small country, our neighbor country, and here Bangladesh, and here the east side, the Myanmar is located east side of India. This is here the Myanmar. And if we move to the south, there is a small country, ocean country, that is Sri Lanka. So here the Sri Lanka is located here. This is the Sri Lanka, it is the south side of India. So here one thing, that is all neighbor countries, all these neighbor countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, and the China, Nepal, Bhutan, and also Bangladesh, Myanmar, all these countries have a border with India. All these countries, neighbor countries, have a border with India except Sri Lanka. Except Sri Lanka has no border with India. So because Sri Lanka is an island. So here Sri Lanka has no border with India. The remaining all countries have a border with India. And here India has a dispute. That means two countries have a border disputes with India. Especially two countries have a border disputes with India. They are one is Pakistan. One is Pakistan and another one is China. These two countries have a border disputes with India still. Okay, and here if we move to the Sri Lanka, here Sri Lanka is separating. So here we can see the Park Street here between India and Sri Lanka. There is a Park Street. This Park Street separating Sri Lanka from India. So that's why this Sri Lanka was separated by the Park Street. And here one is a Tropic of Cancer. This is the Tropic of Cancer. It passing through some states. There are 8 states. That means Tropic of Cancer. It is called 23 and of northern latitude is called Tropic of Cancer. So it is passing through 8 states. So let's see here. Tropic of Cancer passing through 8 states. Then what are they? That means here one is Gujarat and one is Rajasthan and one is Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand, West Bengal, here Tripura and also here Mizoram. So here from 8 states, this Tropic of Cancer passing through these 8 states. You have to remember this. You need to remember 8 states. And here the Tropic of Cancer, these 23 and of northern latitude dividing the India into two equal parts. One is north and one is south. That means this line, 23 and of line, Tropic of Cancer, divide the India into two equal parts. One is north part and one is south part. Okay. So and next here we have to discuss 82 and of eastern longitude. 82 and of eastern longitude. So here the 82 and of eastern longitude passing through 8 states. So this is the 82 and of eastern longitude. This is the 82 and of eastern longitude. So this line, 82 and of eastern longitude line, passing through 5 states. Through 5 states. 5 states. So what are the means here? One is UP, Uttar Pradesh. One is Uttar Pradesh and another one is Madhya Pradesh. This Madhya Pradesh, and next one is Chhattisgarh, and next one Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. That means this 82 and of, that means Indian Standard Meridian line passing through 5 states. They are UP, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. So you have to remember just like a code, that is OUMCA. I am giving one code. OUMCA. You know well, OU means Osmania University. So that means one person studying MCA in Osmania University. Just you remember this. One person studying MCA in Osmania University. So that means O means Odisha, U means Uttar Pradesh, M means Madhya Pradesh, C means Chhattisgarh, A means Andhra Pradesh. That means the Indian Standard Meridian passing through 5 states. They are Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh. Just you remember this like just code wise the person studying MCA in OU. So if you repeat 3 to 4 times, you can remember very easily. Okay. And here this 82 and of eastern longitude, why we choose particularly this line means these 82 and of Indian Standard Meridian divides the India into equal part, into two equal part. One is west and one is north. So that's why we choose 82 and of eastern longitude is taken as a standard meridian of India, because to avoid the time confusion. Our Indian Standard Meridian 5.5 hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. So this is the Greenwich Mean Time here. It is passing through London. So this is the International Standard Meridian. So it is called Greenwich Mean Time, GMT. GMT, it is called Greenwich Mean Time. It is the International Standard Time. So every country should follow this, and they follow their own standard time. So India follows their own time, that is the 82 and of eastern longitude. That means all countries follows their own standard time. So here the 5.5 hours difference between 0 degree longitude. Here difference between 0 degree and 82 and of degree line, there is a 5.5 hours difference. 5.5 hours difference between 0 degree line and 82 and of eastern longitude. So 0 degree line passing through Greenwich Mean Place from the London, and here 82 and of eastern longitude passing through 5 states. Okay.